So today we're going to cook okoy. Hello everyone. Yes, this is Kate Extreme Vlogging, and as everybody call me Chef Kate. Okay, so for today we're doing okoy. Okay, this is a version of mine, okoy. Okay, so we have here, this is sweet potato. Okay, ito po ay kamote. Okay, cut into strips like this. And then this is po kalabasa, this is po squash. Then we have to cut it into strips. And here is our shrimp. Okay, chili. Okay, cut into strips as well. And onions. Okay, for our salt to taste po, ayan, nandiyan na po. Then flour, half water. Okay, para po dyan sa base. And then para po sa seasoning is we need magic sarap. Okay, so we need also 1 egg, okay, for the base. Alright, so what we have to do now is we have to put the egg here like that. Alright, okay, set aside. Then we have to mix up. Okay, now we have to mix up the flour, okay, with the egg, and I put already the salt, pepper, and that one is masala to make it a different color. Okay, so ayan po, mekos muna. Then we have to add the water. Okay, so ayan, halo ulit tayo. Okay, until the flour is mixed up with water and eggs. Okay, so ayan po. Then we have to add again. Okay, so half water po. Ayan. Ayan po. So sundan nyo lang po ako. Ganito lang po kasimple yan. So lagyan nyo po ng salt, pepper. Okay, ayan po, nag-iba ang kulay niya kasi nilagyan ko po yan ng masala. Or pwede po lagyan nyo na atsuete. It's up to you. So, ayan po. So, we have to put more water. Okay? So, that is half cups of water. Alright. So, ayan. Okay. Ayan. Sabi nga po ng marami kung paano po ako nakakapag-prepare ng cooking. Ang sabi ko naman sa kanila is I'm doing it alone. Yeah. On my left hand is the camera, and on the right hand is the spoon to mix up. Okay? So, yan po, hanggang sa mawala ang lump. Okay, yung buo-buo po, kailangan mawala yan. Alright, so there you are. Okay, so set aside. Okay, right now, we have to do our, yes, ito pong ating shrimp, we have to cut it po. Okay, into strips as well. Alright? Sige po, sabayan nyo ako, guys. Ayan, alright. So, we have to cut this one, the shrimp. Okay, so, set aside all those. Cut this one first, then cut here in the center. Ayan. Kailangan strips din siya. Okay, ang hipon kasi is just to give the flavor to your vegetable okoy. Okay, so ayan, sundan nyo ako dyan. Ayan. So I just bought it from the supermarkets. It is freshly, yeah, it's a tiger shrimp, by the way. It's a tiger shrimp, and yeah, I bought it only it's not a half kilo, it's a 1/4 only. Okay, then after that, set aside. Yeah, so I already cut it all the vegetable into strips. So para po hindi na tayo masyadong mahaba ang ating video. Okay, para to make it short. Ayan. Ayan, okay na, right? So right now we have to reheat the oil. Yes. and the medium fire. Okay. So, set aside. Alright? So, pinalitan natin yung lalagyan kasi maliit. So, dapat malaki. So, ayan. Yan, mix natin yung yung mga ingredients. Okay? Mikos-mekos. Okay? So, ayan. So, kailangan i-mix nyo yan dyan. Para paglagay nyo sa mantika, pantay-pantay sila. Okay? So, ayan. Sundan nyo ako, guys. Ngayon, ilalagay na natin siya sa mantika. So, ayan na po yung isang part. Yes. So, yung una po natin. So, ayan po. So, kailangan po natin i-crispy yan. So, ayan po. Nakikita nyo na sila po ay magkakasama. Okay? They're all together kasi ganun po ang okoy. Okay? So, kailangan po lulutuin po natin ng crispy si okoy with the shrimp. Okay? Then, the kamote. Then, the kalabasa. The chili. And the onions. Okay? With the flour base. Okay? There you are. Okay? So, now, yes, ayan. Ayan po. Yes, hopefully po nakikita nyo ng maliwanag na si Chef Kate po ayan, ganyan po magluto. Okay? Ayan po ay okoy. Ayan. Version ko po to. Alright? So, ayan po, habang inaantay natin na maluto yung kalahati. And then afterwards, babalik na rin po natin siya. Okay? So, ayan po, we'll turn it on the other side. Okay, tingnan natin kung luto na siya. Okay, so hindi pa. Alright, so tuloy pa rin natin siya. Okay, in a low heat. Okay, low heat. Let's see the low heat. Ayan. Medyo hinaan natin ng konti. Malakas siya. Ayan. Kailangan low heat lang po. Okay? Dapat po alaga po tayo sa apoy. Okay? So, kailangan po maging crispy yan. Alright. So, ayan po. Antayin natin siya. So, ayan na po. At crispy na siya on the other side. So, ayan po. Hahanguin na natin kung luto na po yung mga gulay. Okay, guys. Sundan nyo lang ako. Here we go. So, ayan po. At yes, pinaligtad na po natin. Turn it over para po maluto yung the other side. Okay? So, ayan po. After mga 2 minutes, yes, hahanguin na po natin yan. Okay? So, ayan po yung sumunod. Pangalawa na po yan. Ilatag po natin yung yung okoy sa langis or mantika. At yan po ayan. Lulutuin po natin ng crispy. Okay? Hindi po kailangan ng maraming mantika. Ayan na po yung finished product na tatlo po na okoy. Hati-hatiin pa po natin yan para po kasi malaki yan. So, para po yung mga kasamahan ko dito makakain po lahat sila. So, ayan. Hindi po ako pwede sa hipon dahil allergic po ako sa hipon. Ayan po yung finished product natin. With suka, sili, bawang. Ayan po, sausawan po yung okoy niya. Maraming salamat guys sa inyong panonood. And hopefully po, subscribe to my channel.